So guys, I was trying to play Dragon Ball Legends and I'm getting this error. Error is saying a communication error has occurred. Today in this video, we will see what are the possible fixes to this error. So without further ado, let's get started. Why this error occurs? Well, Dragon Ball Legends app can't communicate properly with your servers due to some network restrictions or maybe the server outage in the worst case scenario. So what's the thing going on right now? Well, first thing first, you can check whether your internet connection is active or not. If you are using the data, you can disable it and re-enable it back, or you are using the Wi-Fi, you can re-enable it back again, or maybe there is an update onto the Play Store, so you can simply go into the Play Store and update the Dragon Ball Legends application. As of right now, I'm doing this video. This is the official tweet from the Dragon Ball Legends, and this is very important. This is an emergency maintenance notice that's being presented by themselves. So what they are saying? Well, emergency maintenance is now being performed to resolve an access issue. So they already know there is some kind of a issue going on and they are doing the maintenance task right now. And this is really important. The emergency maintenance period is undetermined. They are sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. Well, it looks like it's just a server issue from the server side itself. There is nothing much you can do on your phone to fix this error, so you just have to wait a little bit. You can check the recent updates onto their Twitter page, and that's all you can do. Guys, I hope this video was helpful, so make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.